Window installation in Austin, Texas is a crucial service for both residential and commercial properties. With the city's unique climate, having energy-efficient windows in Austin is essential for maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Our Windows of Austin services offer a wide range of options, including custom Windows Austin TX, to meet your specific needs. For those looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency, double-pane Windows Austin are an excellent choice. These windows provide superior insulation, reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Vinyl windows. Austin, Texas are another popular option, known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Window replacement. Austin is a service that can significantly improve the appearance and functionality of your home or business. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient Windows Austin or installing custom Windows Austin TX, our team ensures a seamless process. We, Windows of Austin, specialize in both residential window services, Austin, and commercial window replacement, Austin. Window glass replacement. Austin is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Cracked or broken glass can compromise security and energy efficiency. Our window frame replacement Austin TX services ensure that your windows are structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing. Window sealing Austin is a critical component of window maintenance. Proper sealing prevents drafts and moisture intrusion, enhancing the performance of your windows. For those interested in privacy and UV protection, Window Tinting Austin, Texas offers a stylish and functional solution. Window cleaning services. Austin are vital for maintaining the clarity and appearance of your windows. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of dirt and grime, ensuring your windows look their best. Our Window Hardware Austin services include installations and replacements to keep your windows operating smoothly. Window screens Austin TX provide an additional layer of protection against insects and debris. We offer a variety of screen options to suit your needs. Window shutters. Austin add a touch of elegance and provide excellent light control and privacy. Window blinds. Austin, Texas and Window Shades Austin offer versatile solutions for controlling light and enhancing privacy. Our Windows of Austin selection includes a variety of styles and materials to complement any decor. Skylight windows. Austin bring natural light into your space, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Bay Windows Austin TX are a beautiful addition to any home, offering expansive views and additional seating or storage space. Casement windows. Austin provide excellent ventilation and are easy to operate. Awning windows. Austin, Texas are ideal for areas that require ventilation even during rain. Sliding windows Austin are perfect for spaces with limited room for window operation. They offer a sleek, modern look and are easy to maintain. Our best window services Austin ensure that you receive top-quality products and installation at competitive prices. Affordable windows. Austin TX are available for those on a budget without compromising on quality or performance. Our Windows of Austin team is dedicated to providing the best window solutions for your home or business. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive window services in Austin, Texas.